Hey guys, it's Crazy Cripple Kid, and today I'm with
DJ Boy, and we tried to make some slime cookies. Didn't work so well.
Yeah, they're made out of starburst, so they're really hard. So we just made them into mints, I guess. So how you make them is you get a box of starbursts, pour them into a bowl, and then you have to put them in a microwave and melt them
for about 30 seconds, and that'll get them pretty well heated up. And then you should add cornstarch, and you should mix them together. And then you should, if you're gonna shape them as soon as possible because they harden very fast.
They harden about 30, maybe 2 minutes after you take it out of the microwave for about 30 seconds.
You make sure to cover them when you do microwave them,
because it can splatter all over the microwave, and that's going to be a pain to wash out.
And for us, it didn't really work so well. We tried to make some cookies. Didn't really work so well.
Yeah. So just remember, when you do take it out of the microwave, make sure not to touch it, because DJ Boy learned it the hard way, and he touched it, and
I hurt myself.
Yeah. So is that it?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys later.
But if you ever do want to try this, make sure to not to touch it.
Yeah, and also
the burn kind of hurts.
Also, make sure you guys ask a parent before you do this activity. So we'll see you guys later.
Bye.